Hello students. Welcome to our first class on the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET practice. A wise man will hear, and will increase learning, and a man of understanding shall attain unto wise counsels. There is nothing to get terrified in NEET, just go through it. Just 2 questions per day you need to solve if you are studying 11th standard. That is just 1 video per day. If you are studying in 12th standard, then you need to work out 4 questions per day. That is 2 videos per day. In case if you are in crash course of just 1 month, then you need to spend 10 to 12 hours per day. Suppose you are going for repeater course, you need to watch and work out 3 videos per day. So let's start now. First question. If force F, acceleration A, and time t are chosen as the fundamental physical quantities, find the dimensions of energy. This question was asked in NEET 2021. There are 4 options for this. You can see here. So what's the answer? Here we go. Energy symbol is E. So E is proportional to F to the power A to the power B, and T to the power C. Now write the dimension for E, F, A, T as shown. In F to the power A, take the dimensional power of all the m on the right-hand side. So A is equal to 1. Next for A to the power B, take the dimensional power of all L on the right-hand side. So A plus B is equal to 2. Substitute the value of A in this equation, so you get B is equal to 1. Next for T to the power C, take the dimensional power of all T on the right-hand side. So minus 2A minus 2B plus C is equal to minus 2. Substitute A and B value in this equation, so you get C is equal to 2. Now put this on the power of F, A and T, so you get the answer as B option. Okay, if you didn't understand, watch again. If you understood it, then let's go to the second question. A screw gauge gives the following reading when used to measure the diameter of a wire. Main scale reading is 0 mm. Circular scale reading is 52 divisions. Given that 1 mm on main scale corresponds to 100 divisions of the circular scale. This question was also asked in NEET 2021. The diameter of wire from the above data is. There are 4 options for this, as you can see here. So what's the answer for this? Let's see it. Here, pitch of the screw gauge P is equals 1 mm. The number of circular divisions N is 100. So the least count LC is P divided by N, which is 1/100th, which is equal to 0.01 mm. Convert it to centimeter, we get 0.001 centimeter. Diameter of the wire is equal to main scale reading MSR plus circular scale reading CSR into least count LC, which is equal to 0 plus 52 into 0.001 centimeter. When you solve this, you get 0.052 centimeter. So the correct answer is B. Hope you have understood the 2 questions and go to the next video. If you did not understand it, then rework it till you get full confidence on it, and then go for the next question in the next video. So stay tuned and win the race. Thank you.